Alright, Sky Masters here. Let's go for a ride, man. Well, Sky Masters here. We're off on another whirlwind adventure through Sturgeon Bay. You know when they say backyard tourist? That's me. I just, I've been here for quite some time, but I just haven't quite seen it all, especially slowing down to take it in like this. Today we're going to be riding through Sturgeon Bay on a Tomos A35 performance moped. This thing has dual gears on it and it's just impressive to ride around. And well, I just had a great time. We went up through Snowcraft and then down Bayshore Drive and then just headed through the old historic district of Sturgeon Bay. Well, I just had a great time today and I want you to follow along with me. Well, closing in on downtown Sturgeon Bay, I stumbled upon some of the local wildlife here and the younglings at the local pond. And well, here's the mascot of Sturgeon Bay, Big Blue itself. I think it's the travel lift for the Bay ship. Well, we've arrived in downtown Sturgeon Bay and enjoy this ride. We've got all kinds of cute little storefronts that are littered on each side of the road here. Cute little candy stores and all kinds of little knickknacks. Enjoy the ride. Well, that brings us to the historic part of downtown Sturgeon Bay, and it is just an epic little Americana here. I tell you what, if there's an all-American kind of style of street, you know what I'm talking about, with the trees that hang over on each side and just kind of hug you like a warm blanket. Well, this is it. Enjoy it. Climb. She's doing it though. She's doing it. Look at that view behind me. Man, that's a big hill. Shoot, I gotta keep my eyes on the road.